little video about the hard roll-up cover. This is the one purchased directly from Ford. I had this installed. It was at the dealership. It didn't come on the truck, but I wanted it before I took it off, so took delivery. So they installed it for me. There are there's these little things on either end. Those are for securing the cover when it's all rolled up. So let's get back here and I'll show you how this works. On either side there is a little piece of wire on either side, and you pull one side and it basically comes apart. It comes off of that, and those are the latches, and when you bring it back, it just snaps back in place. Either side snaps individually. When we roll the cover up, again, you can roll it part way. If you're not on a severe incline, it'll stay there. If you roll it the whole way, again, there's the Ford logo. And again, I think somebody else makes this for Ford, and they just put their stuff on it. When you do have it up here the whole way, there is a strap, as I mentioned, and there's one on either side. This thing fits down into here to secure it, and again, it's adjustable, so you can tighten it up, make it a little tighter if you want. And I always do that if I'm going to drive anywhere. It's very simple. Then I loosen it up when I'm going to take it out. Undo that, roll it back down, and secure either side. It blocks the back window a little bit, about halfway, not like the trifold cover. So you can still use the back window for look at the seat or your mirror when you're driving. And I like it because it's hard. I'm loading things, I can come out, put stuff here on top while I'm opening this and arranging stuff, and I can put stuff right into the tailgate.